tie-dye sweater out of my old white sweatshirt. And for the dye, I'm using avocado pits. Because when you put avocado pits in boiling water, it makes a really cool light pinkish purplish color. And you'll see when I'm done. So here's a big pot, and there are maybe 10 cups of water. Starting to boil, isn't there yet. So while it's getting ready to boil, I'm gonna be tying little knots with rubber bands in my sweatshirt. So you can do this pattern however you want. Wherever the rubber band is where it's gonna remain white. And then everywhere else, it's gonna turn light pink from the avocado pits. Okay, so I've finished tying all of the little nubbins, and I used about 12 rubber bands. And now that I'm done with that and the water is boiling, I'm gonna turn the stove off and put this in. Okay, so here it is. I just put it in the pot. As you can see, the water's pretty dark already. So if you want your fabric to be a light pink, then just leave it in for half an hour. But if you want it to be darker, you can go longer, maybe at least an hour. So I'll check in and back on mine in about half an hour. Okay, so it's been an hour and a half, and the color is a little bit on the darker side for this dye. So I'm happy with how it is right now. I don't want to let it soak for longer. If I let it soak for longer, it'll get darker. So the next step is to rinse it out with water. And then after I've rinsed all of the color out, then I'm going to put it in the dryer. And then also take the rubber bands off before you put it in the dryer. Okay, I think it's done. Okay, so this is after an hour and a half of letting it soak in the avocado pit water, and it's pretty light, but you can still tell where the rubber bands were, and I love it.